So headliner is falling down just on the passenger side, right around where the T-top opening is. Should be an easy fix, just have to pull off that trim, glue the headliner cover back to the hard cardboard headliner, and then put the trim back over it. Headliner board. Soft material will glue that back up to the board. To hold the headliner back in place, I'm going to use 3M Super 77 spray adhesive. It apparently dries clear, and yeah, it holds without having to have other clamps or anything in place. I'm going to use tape on it as well anyway, just in case it doesn't hold 100% while I let it dry. And to make sure I've got a really good clean surface, I use this wax and grease remover solvent. It's used typically for surface prep prior to painting or priming for bodywork. Gives a really clean surface, make sure there's no debris or any grease, make sure the glue sticks really good. So I'll put a bit of that on a rag, get up underneath between the headliner and the cardboard, and I'll wipe both surfaces in there before I apply the glue. Rubber gloves. Ain't nobody want this solvent on your hands or this glue. Not good stuff. Good thing we're giving it a wipe. There's lots of loose material in there. Okay, let's give it a spray. It says shake well, so I'll shake this up for a while and then we'll spray it right in there. Just gonna try it on a board here for a second. Just a little test area to see how fat or how wide the nozzle spray is. So I know what to expect before I go spraying it inside the car. Probably can't see that very well, but it does from about 8 inches away, it does about a 3-inch spray, and it goes on nice and clear. Decided to cover the seats in plastic, and instead of trying to cover the dash and everything from overspray, I'm just gonna tape some plastic right around the perimeter here, so when I spray it, it just stays nice and contained. Okay, we'll let that set up a little bit till it's nice and tacky, and then we'll push it up into place, making sure we keep it nice and tight and get no wrinkles in it. Seems nice and tacky now, so we work our way around here, keeping it nice and tight. That's what we want to avoid, little wrinkles like that. You're on video.
What?
You're on video. That's my lady. She was out for a bike ride while I'm doing this. I'll let that set up for a little bit before I pull this tape off, because I don't want to pull it off the cardboard again. That went well. Looks really good. Nice and flat, stuck well. Let's put the trim back on and put all the screws back in. Looks a lot better. Little wrinkle in there by the light. I think I'll pull the light off and see if I can work at that. Other than that, she looks really good.